So the first question we will be discussing when evaluating our website is, do the pictures and photographs relate to our topic? So ours is like a socialist page. So the first, we can look at different websites. So this first one talks about teachers and like they're like revolting or whatever, like they want better pay. And it looks like this picture goes along with that. Then we can go to another topic, so we could say fight for the right. And so it looks like this one talks about government and political rights, and it looks like that the pictures go along with that. So I would say yes to that question. Next question we're looking at is the spelling correct along the page? So I'm just going to click one article and see if the spelling is correct. If you could just like look, if you read like a couple of paragraphs, it looks like all of the spelling is correct. So I would say yes on that question. Okay, so the About Us page shows of what the purpose of this website is. You can see right here that this is giving the voice to people that aren't usually heard and people that want to like fight back or whatever. And I would say this this like website is used as information based and advocacy, where they're trying to persuade you to look at people's voices that aren't heard. I would say this website is pretty recently updated because you can see off to the side right here that the dates are posted and there's articles for each day. You can just click on the days and there's new articles every day. And I also would say this website is pretty reliable because it has an editorial and production staff, so they look over the website. It's not just anybody posting. I feel like this website would be used for like if you wanted to research movements. If you look at the topics, they're all different type of movements to like where people are being activists and spreading their thoughts and views of the world. Like there's different things. So I think it's definitely activists that want to better our world. I feel like this site would have a small bias because they're trying to get their point across and like what they think their views are. So I don't think that there's going to be like a whole lot of bias, but like when someone's writing about something heartfelt, there's going to be more biased towards their point of view than everybody else's. So there's no like cited sources at the bottom of the page to like tell where they got the article from, but there are like links throughout each like section, so you can click on them and it will bring you to like the original page. Like if you just keep clicking different links, it eventually will bring you to like the page where they got the information from. So I think that's their considered cited source. So here, if you go to Contact SW, is where you can put your email and email address in to where you can contact the website and write them reviews and stuff. If you go back to the About Us page, you can look at the published, it says who it's published by right here. And then what you do, you click on this page and it gives you who published it, and it gives you like a whole, like, another page about who these people are and what they do, basically, right here. They're a socialist. And they like get their voices heard. Okay, to see if this site is credible, you put the word link and then you type in the address here or like copy and paste it, and you can go through and like click different links and it tells you like what experts think about the source, and like tells you if they think it's like usable. And from what I've read, a lot of the sources say that it is very good. There is small bias because it's more of like a liberal site and people are more like their views on it are more like radical and stuff like that. But all in all, it gives good information about each like topic on here, and it would be very good for someone that's like researching different like movements throughout the world.